So we're back here with another banger video, and today we're starting a new series. Which is Home Alone. I know this truck is loud. But I have a couple of things at my buddy's house that I need to pick up. I don't know why. I know my tailgate kinda acts up. I have an inside switch for it. I'll see you when I get to my buddy's house. I mean my buddy's farm. Okay, this should be the last thing. I'm not trying to damage anything. It's kind of hard for me. Well, look, there's my friend. Dude! You know what? Why don't I just pull it up? Why do you keep hitting me? Dude, I'm about I'm fixing to drive his back. Wait, how did I just fall? Ooh, I love it. Like big butt, boom, boom, butt, bam. The type of skissy money you wouldn't understand. The type of shitty money you wouldn't understand. Big dog business, I will not hold your hand. Big dog business, I will not hold your hand. Big dog business, I will not hold your hand. But hold on, let me put some music on. I'm gonna go on to my radio. And put some music. I gotta put on some mom music. My truck. Ma. I have Siri set up in this truck, so hey Siri, play My Truck. Hold on, this kind of has ads. Okay, let's get going. I don't know what happened. I managed to get here. It's not that hard to go forward, but I'm here at my house. My new house, actually. And I remember I bought it, but now I officially own it. And the guy said that I bought it from there's a abandoned pickup truck in the backyard. Come on, turn so I can get over here. I don't remember what. There it is. Oh, yeah. I swear, I thought this truck was a work truck. You can't even get over that little thing. What? That little bump? Wow. Thank you. I can't even find a place to park my trailer. I guess this will have to do. Are you done? Okay. Let me get my Raptor back. Hold on. Let me get it back real quick. My grandma bought it. Got it. Yeah. She should be coming. Thank you, Grandma. Okay. I'm gonna have to figure out how I'm gonna park this big truck. Yeah. Okay. Sorry, can I jump on the hood to shut this garage door? There we go. Okay. Those two cars are in there. Anyways, I'm, trying to figure out how to get that truck out. I swear. I hope this truck runs. It does. I didn't try. I don't know if the battery's dead. I'm gonna try and start it. Oh, yeah. It's not going. I have the winch from my Raptor. I guess I'll put it on. Hold on, guys. Let me get the winch on. No. Okay, finish installing. There we go. Hold on, it's stuck. My truck is too far away for some reason. I wasn't even that far. I was like I was like 2 feet away. Okay. Well. Lucky. Oh no, that tailgate doesn't fall off. Let's try and get this up. Come on. There we go. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try and jump this. Come on. I'm pretty sure there's old jumper cables in here because I saw them. There we go. Woo! Hope it connects to my engine. Okay. Okay, that side works. Now this side. Okay. I'm gonna. Okay, that one running. And now I just gotta wait a minute. No, hi. I'm not trying to do that, but okay. Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Yes! Yes, 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 yes! Woo! Everyone! Disconnect! Yeah! Hey! Hi. Let's take this to town and get it fixed. I know I probably shouldn't be driving this with no suspension working. But I have to take this to town. Okay. It's weird. This truck is acting up. Whoa! Hold on, guys. I'll see you when I get in town. I fixed it, it works. Well, it has always been working. I swear, I need to take the topper off. The topper is my one main issue. Because I can't load seed pallets in here, and that's what I need to do because my brother works for a farm, and I gotta get my brother to do some seed pallets every once in a while. I said yeah. At my house, I take the topper off and I'll end the video though. How many people are gonna send me these? And again, are people seeing my live stream? I guess. Are people seeing me live stream right now? But this is a live stream, and I'm also recording my live stream, so this will also be a live stream that people can watch, like me being made, and also people can watch it. So let me take the cover. That's one, and BAM! It's off. That will be the end of today's video. Anyways, peace!